It's been said that there are two types of soldiers in the Army: those who can shoot at the range and those who can shoot while being shot at. Today we're going to talk about a strategy that ensures that you're the latter of the two. So today I want to talk about dollar cost averaging. Now this strategy entails investing a consistent amount at a consistent frequency, seeking to remove timing and emotions from any part of the decision-making process. So one of my favorite financial bloggers created this awesome chart on the screen here that shows the power of dollar cost averaging over time. So in this example, we simply invest $100 each month into the S&P 500 starting in 2007, before the mortgage crisis, one of the biggest crashes of all time. Even those initial $100 contributions would still amount to over $300 today. So if you stuck to your guns and kept buying throughout the crisis, some of those $100 investments near the bottom would have eclipsed over $600 today. So as an advisor, the majority of wealth that I see for most folks getting ready to retire and spend their nest egg is really in two key areas: their 401ks and the equity in their home. When you think about it, it makes sense. Those are two areas where savings are automated and consistent. Now, many of you are already taking advantage of this strategy. Every time you get paid at work, have money withheld from your paycheck, goes into the 401k. Every time you make a mortgage payment, if you own a home, it increases the equity in your home. So it's no surprise that that's where we see a lot of the equity down the road. Now, many people I've talked to over the last year confided to me that they're kicking themselves for not buying into the market with cash that they may have had on the sidelines in March of 2020, back during the pandemic. And they've waited for another pullback. Well, the reality is the reasons for market pullbacks are always different, but those feelings and emotions are always the same. So if you're a long-term investor, I hope this quick video here gives you some confidence in the long game. Howard Marks, famous investor, once said, "What a wise man does in the beginning, the fool does in the end." So I know the uncertainty amid danger makes us want to run and hide out in a bunker right now. Just make sure that you are continuing to shoot while being shot at. As always, stay the course and stay on point. Take care.